Hello and good morning everyone, I'm Star and I am here today with Nappa. We are testing out Mabel's labels, which are absolutely perfect for the back to school season. They are these labels that come personalized with your child's name. You can add cute little logos on them like butterflies. There's ones with robots. So cute. And they are pretty much placed on everything, all of your child's belongings, from their school supplies to their shoes to their clothing to their backpack to their lunch containers. And we have little samples there. That's so cute. And so pretty much it goes with them anywhere from daycare to camp to school, so that nothing is lost. And I think the funnest part about it is that you can personalize these little thingies, and they're very, very easy to use. Again, my name was Star with Nappa Awards, and we were testing Mabel's labels.